So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Naman, and in this video we are going to cover CHE 110 Unit 2 top 30 most important questions that can be asked in your exam. But there's a request, if you find this video helpful, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel for furthermore such content. Let's start the video. Question 1. Organism that produce their own food using sunlight are called option A saprophytes, option B autotrophs, option C heterotrophs, and option D decomposers. So the correct answer is option number B. Question number 2. What is the primary role of decomposers in a ecosystem? Option A to control pollution, option B to consume herbivores, option C to recycle nutrients, option D to produce energy. So the correct answer is option number C to recycle nutrients. Question number 3. Which of the following is an example of lotic ecosystem? Option A river, option B swamp, option C a pond, option D lake. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 4. A forest is an example of which type of ecosystem? Option A aquatic, option B terrestrial, option C artificial, option D marine. So the correct answer is option B terrestrial. Question number 5. Which is example of an artificial man-made ecosystem? Option A ocean, option B crop field, option C tropical rainforest, and option D desert. So the correct answer is option number B crop field. Question 6. In a food chain, the transfer of energy take place from option A top carnivore to herbivore, option B consumer to producer, option C decomposers to producer, and option D producers to consumers. So the correct answer is option number D. Seventh number question. According to the 10% law, how much energy is transferred from trophic level to the next? So the options are option A 50%, option B 90%, option C 100%, option D 10%. So the correct answer is option D 10%. Question number 8. A network of interconnected food chain is called a option A food cycle, option B food web, option C ecological pyramid, and option D trophic level. So the correct answer is option B food web. Question number 9. In a grassland ecosystem, a snake eats a frog which ate a grasshopper which ate grass. The the snake is option A producer, option B secondary consumer, option C tertiary consumer, and option D primary consumer. So the correct answer of ninth number question is option C, tertiary consumer. Question number 10. Which ecological pyramid is always upright? Option A, none of above. Option B, pyramid of energy. Option C, pyramid of biomass. And option D, pyramid of numbers. So the correct answer is option B, pyramid of energy. Question number 11. The pyramid of numbers in a single tree ecosystem is option A rectangular, option B spindle shape, option C upright, and option D inverted. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 12. The pyramid of biomass in an aquatic ecosystem, which is pond, is generally option A circular, option B linear, option C upright, option D inverted. So the correct answer is option D inverted. 13 number question. The gradual process of change in the species structure of an ecological community over time is called option A food chain, option B adaptation, option C ecological succession, and option D is evolution. So the correct answer of 13 number question is option C. Question number 14. Succession that begins on a bare rock where no soil exists is known as option A secondary succession, option B tertiary succession, option C primary succession, and option D aquatic succession. So the correct answer of 14th number question is C primary succession. 15th number question. Which organism are typically the pioneer species in zero series succession? Option A leans, option B moves, option C chirps, and option D trees. So the correct answer is option number A. 16th number question. The final stable community in an ecological succession is called the option A intermediate community, option B climax community, option C serial community, and option D is Ponier community. So the correct answer is option number B, which is climax community. Question number 17. Secondary succession occur in which of the following areas? Option A sand dunes, option B flooded lands, option C bare rocks, and option D newly cooked lava. So the correct answer of 17th number question is option B flooded land or burned forest. Question number 18. In the hydrological cycle, the conversion of water vapor to liquid water is called option A precipitation, option B evaporation, option C transpiration, and option D condensation. So the correct answer of 18th number question is option number D condensation. Question number 19. Which of the following is a consequence of over extracting minerals from the earth? Option A improvement of air quality, option B soil enrichment, option C increase of ground level water, option D subsidize of land. So the correct answer is option D subsidize of land. Question number 20. What is jhum cultivation? Option A shifting cultivation, option B terrace farming, option C organic farming, and option D hydroponics. So the correct answer of 20th number question is option A shifting cultivation. 21 number question. Solar cells convert solar energy directly into. So the correct answer of 21st number question is option number D electrical energy. 22nd number question. Which of the following is an example of an estuarine ecosystem? Option A desert oasis, option B deep ocean floor, option C where a river meets a sea, and option D high mountain lakes. So the correct answer is option C. 23rd. The organisms that feed on dead and decaying matter are called option A herbivore, option B detrivores, option C carnivores, and option D omnivores. So the correct answer is option B, which is detrivores. 24th number question. Hydrarch succession takes place in option A sandy areas, option B wet areas, option C dry areas, option D bare rocks. So the correct answer is option number B, which is wet areas, wet water bodies. 25th number question. Energy flow in an ecosystem is always option A multidirectional, option B unidirectional, option C bidirectional, and option D cyclic. So the correct answer is option number B unidirectional. 26th number question. Which of the following creates the base of an ecological pyramid? Option A producers, option B decomposers, option C primary consumer, option D secondary consumer. So the correct answer is option number A producers. 27th number question. What is the main problem associated with monoculture forestry? So the correct answer of 27th number question is option number D. It reduces biodiversity and depletes specific nutrients. 28th number question. Which renewable energy source relies on the gravitational pull of moon? Option A solar energy, option B geothermal, option C tidal, option D wind. So the correct answer is option C tidal. 29 number question. Which act serve as framework for water conservation in India? So the correct answer of 29 number question is option number D the Water Act. This is the last question of the video. The functional aspects of an ecosystem includes option A only abiotic factor, option B energy flow and nutrient cycle, option C species composition only, option D only biotic factor. So the correct answer of last question is option number B. So this was the top 30 questions. I hope you like this video. Thank you for your time.